All right. Good luck, everybody. Thanks again. So the 2 mini boxes here are going to come out. Ripping chrome first here. There's 1 autograph per mini box, so we'll open one at a time here. For the sake of time, I'm not going to sleeve every single rookie. I'll do it after, but I'll sleeve the hits, obviously. All right, let's start off with something good here out of chrome. Sleeve everything as we go, even base. Oh, whoops, get back on screen here. Forgot. No black tie over here, no black tie. Or whoever it was. Especially base. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's see what we got. I've never opened a Bowman Chrome Hobby Box before, which is surprising. All right, what do we got? We got some sort of insert, it looks like. Joey Votto, Cody Bellinger, Dawn of Glory, Luis Frias, Victor Acosta first, and Alexander Ramirez first. First pack, a whole lot of nothing, but let's see what we got in the second pack. Gleyber Torres, looks like a refractor. Oh, nice. That's sick. JD Martinez to $4.99. Jack, I'm going to have to ask you about that one in a minute. 40-man futures, Acosta, Armando Cruz first, and a Kirsten Hierstad, or however the hell you say his name. Let us know when to be excited. Come on now. Everyone else will know, just not you, Flacco. Nice little number card there for Boston. I'm going to have to ask you about that, Jay Cruz. Mikey Yastrzemski, Jose Abreu, and we got the auto, White Sox. First, Luis Mieses, first Bowman auto to $4.99, then Spencer Torkelson and Robert Posen. White Sox with a hit to start off. Forget Abreu. Don't know who that is, to be honest. Someone look him up, see if he's any good now, or if he's even... Who's got White Sox? Spencer. Spencer's got White Sox. Spencer's got the White Sox. So that's our first auto of the I'm not even gonna try. Green coming up. Acuna, Trammell rookie, and a Pirates Nick Gonzalez to 99, and a Justin Fosk and a Drew Romo. Nick Gonzalez to 99 for the white guy. That's literally his name. I'm not just saying that. Christian Javier, rookie. Braylon Marquez, rookie. 40-man futures, Nick Gonzalez. Gabriel Arias and Shunwin. That guy. I can't say half of these names. All right, Key Brian Hayes, rookie. That's a nice one to me. Jazz Chisholm, rookie. Another one. Tristan Casas, summer camp. That's another one I'm going to have to ask you about, Jay Cruz. Logan Gilbert and Gilberto Celestino. No Wemby or CJ auto. It's rigged. All right, those are rare, man. I guess it might end up being rigged. Oh, all right. Pack's all mangled, and we can see that there's a purple. William Contreras, Tanner Houck rookie, nice. Purple Shimmer, Martin Valdez to 250. First Bowman. Oh, and then, right, so nice we got him twice. He's right there again. Yeah, it's in the Topps 2024. And there's no way I doubt we're going to hit it. But a nice little first Bowman numbered there. You can feel them coming out. Pause. Nick Madrigal, rookie. Ha-Sung Kim, rookie. 40-man futures, Hedbert Perez, Yolqui Cespedes, and Cade Cavalli. I mean, I don't know who it is, but, I mean, it's a first Bowman to 250, so if he ever comes to be anything, you never know. Luis Robert, Mookie, auto, Milwaukee third baseman, Jesus Parra on the second auto. I don't know him either, to be honest. Nolan Gorman and Matthew Allen. So both autos, I think, are kind of duds there. Brewers are on the board, though. The good pile's over here. It's the, that one that I got going. Brewers for culture right there. Brewers for culture. Not really, Flacco. The crowd has been going mild so far. Y'all are crazy, man. Come on now. There's no need for this level of disrespect on baseball. Aaron Judge, Yu Darvish, and a purple, Rangers. Maximo Acosta to 199. JJ Bleday and Toglia. Acosta to 199. That's not bad. Who's got Rangers? Culture hit back-to-back. All right, Joey Gallo. Another insert here. Austin Hayes. 40-man futures, Jason Dominguez. That's a good one for you, Jack. Brett Batty and Shea Langeliers. What's the pile in the center? This is rookies and prospects and inserts. And then the one on the right's just the base. Andrew Vaughn, Alejandro Kirk, rookie. Summer Camp, Marco Luciano. Oops. Gabriel Rodriguez first, and Wilman Diaz first. So nothing too crazy out of the Bowman Chrome, but it's always nice to get a few numbered cards and stuff. And they look pretty cool. They're all shiny. All that stuff. So put that over there and make way for some jumbo. We're going to do the 2021 first, just because the 2024 is what everyone's here for. All right, come on, CLC. CLC, man. Pull up anytime, any place. Anytime, any place. We can go at it. And the crowd goes mild. Well, you're the crowd, okay, Flacco? So maybe get a little more excited. How about that? All right. Get these out there. The two box toppers are Orioles, Ryan Mountcastle, rookie. That's not bad. All right, you guys are weird, man. And then Shane Bieber. Shane Bieber and Ryan Mountcastle are the box toppers. We should. Man, you guys are about to get muted. All right, first pack. Those are not autos. Those are printed autos. All right. First up, we got Bubba Starling. I'm not even going to read the base that's not rookie. So Jake Cronenworth, rookie. Clark Schmidt, rookie. And then just keep going. Daz Cameron, rookie. Just keep going. Jose Garcia, rookie. And getting to a gold here. Gold Angels. There we go. That's pretty cool. And a Mariano Rivera. And then we got a patch. Just eat it off right there. The Rivera's a short print. That's a sick one right there for you, Jack. And this is a logo patch, rookie logo patch of Keibert Ruiz for the Dodgers. Keibert Ruiz. Let me get a thick sleeve for that. Forgot to bring him over here. Thick sleeve for that. Nice little hit for the Dodgers. That Mariano Rivera is pretty good, though. Nice little Keibert Ruiz. And then Jack Flaherty on the insert. Garrett Crochet, that's a good one. That's a good little insert there. Should be excited, I guess. Yeah, that Rivera is actually pretty solid, man. Like, it's a short print. Let's see. Let me see. 441. So it's probably just a regular short print. So probably not a super short print, but it's pretty good. Josh Fleming rookie. Ben Gamble. Medina rookie. Jeff McNeil. Jahmai Jones rookie. And we continue. Estevan Florial rookie. Shane McClanahan rookie. Ha-Seong Kim rookie. Johan Ramirez rookie. Loman Diaz rookie. And Jonathan Araz rookie. All right. Not a bad first pack. A short print, a patch, and a Garrett Crochet insert rookie. Flacco, I'm going to start ignoring you, bro. To be honest. Rookie Jake Woodford. Shane Bieber. More base. Space. Sam Huff on the rookie. Base. Xander Bogaerts. If anybody wants base, then, I can send it to you, but you're going to get a lot of it. Daz Cameron, rookie. Jose Garcia, rookie. Sam Huff again. What the heck? Is that him in the same pack? Yeah, it is. All right. And for the Cubs, Jason Hayward on the silver. And 0-60 home runs, Mike Trout. And then Nolan Arenado on the All-Star. Kind of a dud pack there out of those three. JBJ. And no rookies yet in this sack. Ryan Weathers, rookie. Ripper, nothing crazy, but nothing bad. Julian Merriweather. Mickey Moniak, rookie. Dalton Jeffries, rookie. Bauer. Another rookie. Taylor Widener. Luis Garcia. And Jordan Weems, rookies. Whoops. I'm going to, Flacco. I see the don't ignore me. I'm going to. Hey, I just got back from grocery shopping. You want the Trevor Bauer base? I mean, talk to whoever's got the Dodgers, I guess. But, I'll just put it on the side. Let's see what happens. Yu Darvish, Donovan Solano, some more base, and more base. And the base is never ending. Another Xander. All right, what do we got? We got a gold. Topps gold to 2021. It's been all right, come on now. Who do we got? No, not a rookie. Cubs again. Alec Mills to 2021. Alec Mills. Ooh, we got a number to 50. Mitch Garver. And the Kansas City Royals, pink. The team card, numbered out of 50. That's pretty funny. And a Stam Musial throwback. And a rookie, Dalton Varsho, on the throwback. That's pretty funny. Let me get through this base, see if we got any more rookies in this pack. And then I'll show those again. Drew Rasmussen, rookie. It's not a bad one. Ryan Jeffers, rookie. Our Postal rookie. Rookie. And then Zach McKinstry, rookie. But a numbered out of 50 team card. Whoever's got the Royals. A team. Oh, you know what? It was Kane. Kane's a Royals fan. Where's Kane? Whoops. I forgot to send it to him. All right, well, he'll probably be happy with that. All right. Let's keep going. But a numbered out of 50 team card, that's not something you see every day. Jose Abreu, Jake Fraley, more base. I don't know why. Jose Abreu is Flacco's favorite player. Trevor Rogers on the rookie. Enoli Paredes, rookie. Yeah, I have pulled that 101 for you. And a gold Astros. Michael Brantley on the gold. Auto. Okay, I wasn't expecting it. 70 years of baseball auto. Mitch White for the Dodgers. Mitch White. Rookie auto. Unfortunately, I don't know who Mitch White is. He's only pulled my chorizo. Oh my gosh. Well, Dodgers with 2 hits in this box already. Joe Adell, rookie. Ooh, a Ke'Bryan Hayes, throwback rookie. Marquez, rookie. William Contreras, rookie. Story. Kike Hernandez was back there. And we got Brent Rooker, rookie. That's a good one. Tanner Houck, rookie. That's another good one. Miguel something, rookie. Jose, rookie. Luis Campusano, rookie. And Pavin Smith, rookie. Who's got the Dodgers? Who's got the Dodgers? Let me check. Figment, all right. Of course, he's the Instagram guy, and I couldn't get it live on Instagram because Instagram lives are down. It's my Instagram. At least, I decided to run baseball because he really wanted one. And he's like my OG, so. Ke'Bryan Hayes, rookie. That's a good one. More base. Lots of base in this. So nice we got him twice. Another Ke'Bryan. Silver. We got a team card of the Blue Jays. Juan Soto. Significant statistic. And Cal Ripken. Wow. Dud. No base, please. Okay. Thank God. Rookie Tom Hatch. Rookie Alex Kirilloff. And a bunch of base. TJ Antone, rookie. Keegan Aiken, rookie. Stever, rookie. Birdie, rookie. Davidson, rookie. Matthias, rookie. And Jojo Romero, rookie. All right. Sounds good. Honestly, this one, I might just, if people ask for it, then I'm going to give it to them. But if not, then probably not. Because there's over 900 base cards in this. Almost 900. Jesus. How many times are we going to knock that over? Send my base to Flacco. Oh, okay, yeah, I can do that. I'll send all of it to Flacco. David Price. More base. Jonah Heim on the rookie. That's not a bad one. And then we got more base cards that aren't rookies. Yeah, no rookies. Oh, there you go. Another Taylor Rogers rookie. Michael Pineda. Anoli Paredes rookie. A Jose Garcia rookie foil. That's, I don't know him, but. And a $4.99 rookie, Daz Cameron. That's not a bad one. Hey, you got a rookie numbered card for the Tigers. There you go, CLC. Then a Fernando Tatis Platinum Players. And a Ken Griffey on the All-Star. And Chris Sale's fire, but, more base. That's a cool looking base. And one rookie on the end is Alejandro Kirk. That's not a bad rookie, though. All right, sleeve up this Daz Cameron, numbered out of $4.99, and this Jose Garcia rookie foil. All right, what do we got? 4 packs left. Still one memorabilia in here somewhere. 4 mem in here somewhere. I mean, one mem in these last 4 packs. That's what I meant to say. And we got Christian Vasquez. That's a good one, just because he's a Red Sox. Jared Olivia, rookie. And we continue. And we got another gold out of 2021. Another gold out of 2021. Red Sox again. Christian Arroyo. Christian Arroyo to 2021. Come on. St. Louis Cardinals, and then a Jose Garcia throwback, and an Alex Kirilloff throwback, and more base. Mag all your base. Yeah, I'd rather not. Oh, there we go. Braxton Garrett rookie. And more base. 3 more to go out of 2021, and then the silver packs. And more base. 3 more to go out of 2021, and then the silver packs. And then we got... Whoops. Alright, I got low power. Sorry. Alright, what do we got? Gold again. Gold foil. Jake Cronenworth rookie. Jose Berrios. Clark Schmidt rookie. Woodford rookie. Daz Cameron rookie. Jose Garcia rookie. All right, and then we got a gold rookie. Gold rookie. Jonah Heim, that's not bad. Gold foil Jonah Heim, and then a Tariq Skubal on the throwback rookie, and a Chris Bubic. And then base, we got a rookie here, Medina. We got a rookie, Jahmai Jones. That's not a bad gold foil there, though. We'll see any more rookies. Florial, McClanahan, Sung Kim, Ramirez, Diaz, Araz, Merriweather, and Moniak. That Heim's not bad, though, for the Rangers. All right. I'm going to put these aside so that they're not in the way anymore. Come on, Flacco. Stop complaining. Flacco, I'm going to put you to sleep for real, though, but with my hands. Wait a minute. It sounds kind of June, but, like, you know. I'm going to put you to sleep with these hands, man. You're going to catch them in your mouth. Ah, that doesn't sound any better. Anywho, moving on. We got Shed Long and some more base cards, including a Cedric Mullins. We got a backwards card coming up. We got a Jared Olivia rookie. Franchy Cordero, Blue Jays Haijan Ryu. There is, bro, there is. To 70. To 70, we got a Clark Schmidt to 70. A black tops to 70 Clark Schmidt. That's not bad at all. Numbered Clark Schmidt rookie to 70. He's pretty solid, too, so I got to open another thing of top loaders for that. Yeah, Jake Cruz is hitting pretty decently. The Yankees haven't been doing too bad. That means it'll be a Stroud auto, not a Wemby, though. Get that in a top loader. Oh, and then we got a patch right behind it. Oh, and it's Ryan Mountcastle to 199. How about that? Orioles, not bad there. I mean, obviously you're here for Jackson Holiday fun face, but how about a Ryan Mountcastle to 199 patch? And then you got Howie Kendrick on the DH debuts. Don Mattingly. There's case hits and stuff too. CLC, but I mean, this isn't a case, so I don't know how likely that is. Well, obviously, one in a case, but yes, there is, Flacco. Don't lie to the man. All right, last regular pack, and then we got the silver packs. The 2 silver packs. Shane Bieber, and more base. Sam Huff rookie. Oh, and then we got Daz Cameron rookie. Sorry, I almost skipped right past it. And then we got a Jose Garcia rookie. We got A's team card silver. And an expired home run challenge, Kyle Schwarber. And a 0-60, Marcell Ozuna. And a Christian Yelich. All right, nothing crazy out of the last pack there. The auto was not who we were looking for. But maybe we'll get a second one. Maybe we will get a second auto. Ryan Jeffers, not bad. Second auto, maybe? Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, what do we got here? Ooh, a Brian Hayes to start it. How about that? And then a Jose Barrios, Bryce Harper, and George Springer. No auto in the first one. Not even a numbered card. But we got a Brian Hayes. That's not a bad one there. Brian Hayes there. All right. Come on, give us a numbered card at least. Come on. Nothing. Man. Wilson Contreras, Matt Olson, Alejandro Kirk, and Kyle Lewis. Not even a rookie in that one. Man. Oh, wait, Alejandro Kirk's a rookie. Sorry, I missed the little symbol. He's a good one, but obviously no auto out of that one. All right, well, not a bad box, but not the greatest. We've been lied to. What do you mean you've been lied to? I said sometimes they have an auto in them. Not every time they have an auto. That would be madness. All right, get these out of the way, and let's get a Wemby. Let's get a Wemby. You can be disappointed all you want. Is there enough base? I don't think so. I'm going to have to... I might. CLC, I might. If this one isn't... If we get another dud auto here, I'll do it. And don't get any numbered big rookies here. I'll do it. I will. I've done it before, and I'll do it again. All right. Hot off the press. Flacco, how would that work? Hot off the press here. Carlos Carrasco kicks things off. I haven't opened any Series 2 jumbos yet. Only a Series 1. Forrest Wall rookie. Blake Rutherford rookie. First pitch, Mallory Swanson, and we got our first patch already. An Ohtani Silver Slugger. And a backwards LePaire. How about that? Right off the bat. Literally. That's pretty funny. How about a little Ohtani? A little Ohtani in our lives. Matthew Liberatore on the gold future stores. Jeff Bagwell around the horn. I love those around the horns. Kyle Tucker. And all this stuff. Any women in baseball? JP Martinez rookie. Kyle Harrison rookie. What do you mean it's boring? It looks sick. It's what the award looks like that he won. It's like an MVP trophy. But not really, because it's not an MVP. All right, next pack. Oh, man. All right, there we go. Jose Altuve. Yuendry Gomez rookie. Jordan Wicks rookie. Darius Vines, rookie. What do we got? We got a backwards card. Whit Merrifield. And it's a Pirate. No, it's not. It's Jackson Merrill, though. Why is it backwards? Why is it backwards? Matt Strom, gold. Bobby Witt and Juan Soto. We're about to find out here, guys. Hold on. Let me just get through the rest of these. Lupicius. Luke Little. Austin Wells, rookie. Why is the Jackson Merrill backwards? Because it's a short print. All right, there you go. That's not bad for the Padres. One of the top rookies right there. Jackson Merrill on the short print. It's a short print. Yeah, Padres short print rookie. That's a solid one. Bro, nothing. Culture, man. I don't want to hear it. Zach Neto. Canario rookie. McCutcheon. PCA rookie. There you go. Hannafy rookie. Miles Mastroboni. That's a great name. Brian Bello. Tanner Houck. We got a backwards Christian Yelich. What do we got? Not numbered, but MKE on the Christian Yelich. I don't know if that's a case hit or what, but it's pretty cool looking. Silver Castellanos covering the field Yelich and Derek Jeter. Who wants Derek Jeter? Nobody. Weston Wilson rookie. Kirking rookie. Whoops. And what do we got? Steven Cruz rookie. And a Tyler Fitzgerald rookie. Let me just... Oh, it is a case hit. Oh, look at that. I thought so. That's a sick one for the Brewers. This seemed like Donruss. Well, yeah, it's the base set for Topps every year. This is the base stuff, you know. How is it boring? That's a pretty cool looking card. Yeah, the gold foil. What gold foil? Oh, the gold foil, the silver foil, I mean, Nick Castellanos. Bro, come on. I didn't know if it was a case hit or not. I didn't want to yell. Oh, did I? Gold foil mirror. Really? Which one? Which one was it, white guy? I don't see it. Oh, okay. Okay. I was like, whoa. Oh, is it? No, it's not. The back of it's not gold. That's what the mirror is. The back is gold. I didn't watch enough of the Series 2 breaks either. I should have watched more of them, but none of my guys were doing it, so. A Yamamoto rookie, there you go, Dodgers. Basabe rookie. Parker Meadows rookie. Parker Ashcraft. There's a home run challenge that you can actually use. Oh, nice. Nice, Diego. A gold to 2024 Evan Phillips. And a backwards Will Benson. Means it's a silver foil, yep. Around the horn, Bryce Harper. Still weird to see him playing infield. And Ichiro. Depends. Is it autoed or not? Or is it just the out of 50? Reese McGuire. Hierstad again. I can't say that guy's name. Lyon Richardson, rookie. I can say his name. Jackson Rutledge, rookie. Jose Siri. No autos and no mems yet, but there you go. Junior Caminero. Abreu. Oh, Mason Wynn, rookie. There you go. That's another good one. No auto. Then I don't think it would be worth more than $20, honestly. Just because it's, even if he's really good, you know, not a rookie, not auto, just a numbered card. Alan Williams, Winans rookie, and a James MacArthur rookie. Win is a short print. Is it? I'll go back. I thought he was a regular. Because the Jackson Merrill was backwards, so that's how I knew that one was a short print. Ozzie Smith, we got another back. We got 2 backwards cards here, guys. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put these down there. Gold, Ezekiel Tovar, and a Luis Ariz covering the field. We got, it's just two foils. Oh, I've been fooled. Matt McLean, though, around the horn. And an Ozzie Smith around the horn. I've been fooled, though. Win. Where's the win? Where'd that win go? There it is. I thought he was a short print in Series 1. 73. Yeah, it's a normal one. See, look at the codes. 173, 173. It's just a normal one. Luis Castillo. And some base. Davis Daniel, rookie. Nolan Jones, Gold Cup. Kyle Nicholas. All right, next pack. I think we got about 5 left, including this one. And still no auto. Gabriel Arias. Oh, is that a rookie? Yep. Victor Vodnik, rookie. Tyler Cropley, rookie. Tyler Stevenson there. Nick Lofton on the rookie. I didn't know Laureano was still in the league. Kyle Hurt, rookie. Michael Toglia. Tristan Gray, rookie. Drew Millis, rookie. And we got our auto here. It is not quite what everyone was hoping for. Oh, or is it? A Jackson Chourio auto. There you go. There you go, Brewers. That's a good one right there. How about it? It's a base, not numbered. Yeah, not numbered, but a Jackson Chourio auto. There we go. Yeah, that's a good one there, Flacco. Now you can get excited. Yeah, that's like that's one of the top rookies this year. Jackson Chourio. How about that? There you go, Culture. Now can you stop? DJ LeMahieu, gold. Austin Riley and Babe Ruth. Stroman. Lispius. We got a Hierstad and a Lyon Richardson and a Jackson Wolf rookie. Chris Sale in a Braves uniform. I don't want to see that. All right, move some of these base out. Pulling Wildfire. That's good. That's actually good, bro. Yeah, that's just half the box, too. Not even. That's actually wicked good. There we go. All right, sorry. Wildfire, that's a good one. Come on, I get dubs. I thought you were on baseball's team. Severino. LeMahieu there. No rookies yet. Imagana rookie. There you go. Or I don't know how to say that guy's name. Ketel Marte. Jose Tena, rookie. Wilyer Abreu on the rookie. And a Kierstad to 2024. That's not bad either. Kierstad to 2024. I thought you were team baseball. I get dubs. Pause what? What'd I say? That's a good one, though. Put it there, even. Bryce Harper. Weston Wynn, rookie. Rookie. Baseball. Everson Pereira, rookie. AJ Minter, and base. God, come on, guys. This is that Jackson Holiday is solid, bro. That is actually a very solid hit. It's definitely worth the spot of the team, I'll tell you that much. All right. We got a gold foil in here. A Jacob Young on the rookie. And we got Liam Hendricks hasn't played a game for the Red Sox yet, but he's still in his Red Sox uniform somehow. Wade Meckler, rookie. Pablo Reyes. Not a huge Pablo Reyes fan here. Rangers. Craig Kimbrell. It is not a case hit. You're lying. Your last 2 breaks got you effed up. It is? Yeah, see, I told you guys. That auto's really good. And then gold. I knew that wasn't a case hit, though. It was just a cool looking insert. Javi Baez. Assad on the silver. And Ellie covering the field. There you go. Mike Piazza. And some base. Jackson Rutledge rookie. Here's Kierstad again. And a Gibson Long rookie. Come on now. That Kierstad's probably pretty solid too. The gold Kierstad there. But yeah, that Choreo, I told you guys, is freaking good. Yeah, we don't have a case hit. I've been lied to, fooled, bamboozled. I'm just kidding. I thought it might be too. So, Jason Hayward, Colin Selby rookie, John McMillan rookie. You guys are some complainers, man. I swear. I think we got our patch here, our second patch. Hunter Godman rookie, Lawrence Butler rookie. Rookie Andrew Salfrank. And we're just going to rip it. Aaron Judge on the game-used bat. Game-used bat for Aaron Judge. I always hit Aaron Judge cards. There you go. There you go, Jay Cruz. And then Acuna on that ATL there. And a Jock Peterson on the silver and a Patrick Bailey on whatever this is. Significant statistics. And then a Willie Mays. And some base. And none of it was rookies. Wow. Mag. A mag. Aaron Judge follows me. Yeah, I'll find you a top loader for the Aaron Judge. I don't mind. I usually just, for the patches, I just take them off the PC cards I have. How do you guys not know Jackson Chourio? He's probably the second best rookie behind De La Cruz for this year. Jung Ho Lee, that's another good rookie, though. Kyron Paris, rookie. Ow. Rookie Jordan Lawler. Logan Porter, rookie. Jonathan Ballin, rookie. Hey, a Romy Gonzalez on the gold. He's been doing good for the Red Sox this year. Kyle Tucker on the Fantastic something. And Adrian Beltre. All right, Drew Rom, rookie. Irving Lopez, rookie. Connor Phillips, rookie. Joe Boyle, rookie. Brenton Doyle. James Outman, Gold Cup. Jacob Lopez, rookie. And Slade Ketcheney, rookie. And let's see if we can't get anything good out of these two silver packs. These can be torturous and they can be good. Now let's see what end of the spectrum we're on. And we're going to start out with a Jung Ho Lee. And a green in the back. Okay. So we got a green coming up. So a numbered one. Adrian Beltre. Sandy Koufax. That's cool. And a Jung Ho Lee green. That's not bad at all. How about that? To 99 for the Giants. Green Jung Ho Lee. That's pretty solid there. Yeah, Dubs, that's pretty good. You could probably get a good $20 for that one. At least. No, more than that. I'll take back what I said. Thank you. Thank you. At least one of you will. I've been bullied the entire break. That's probably a good solid card there. Throwing the blaster. CLC, that Choreo, man. That I can't, man. I need it for the pull box. Alright, last pack here of the break. Thanks again, everybody, for joining. No numbered in this one, but Bregman, Bieber, Dale Murphy, and a Nolan Shanwell rookie. What's that it? Yeah, that's it. Magyar Bregman. Bregman me la pela. Alright, I'm going to do a quick little recap of all the sleeved hits. All the good stuff. Fine. You guys want the blaster? If 3 people say blaster, I'll do it. If 3 people say blaster, I'll do it. Do it? Do it? Yes? Alright. Alright. I cave. I give in. I've given in. We're putting in the blaster. We're putting in the blaster. After I put all these away. Let me make sure my phone... Alright, I got 5%. So I guess we got enough battery to do it, hopefully. Alright, where's my scissors? I'm gonna have to go quick, though. Yeah, right? Yeah, Money Mel's knows that it was a good box, but you know what? Screw it. We'll do it anyway. Alright, thank you guys all for joining. Yeah, I know. They get a Jung Ho Lee to 99 and a Jackson Chorio auto, and they're still complaining. Yeah, and we get a Jackson Chorio. Anywho, we're going to skip right through the base so my phone doesn't die. Even the rookies. Speaking of him, see, he was the number 2 prospect. Number 2 prospect. And some first Bowmans. Yeah, it was a great box. Thank you, Money Mel's. Sandy Alcantara. And Ralphie Velasquez on the Lunar. And so whoever got the Pirates just got that much happier because now we got a chance at some Paul Skeens. Lawler. Oop. Oh. Holy shit. Wow, I just skipped right through that. Holy hell. No, Money Mel's is okay. It's cool, man. I got this box so long ago, I barely even paid for it nowadays. Holy hell. $3.99 Dylan Cruz. Wow. That's a big hit right there. Guys, you guys should at least be going crazy for the Dylan Cruz there. Yeah, we all do this to each other, Money Mel. Everson Pereira, Rookie of the Year favorites. And some more base. No, that's really big hit right there. Numbered to $3.99, Dylan Cruz. He's the best first Bowman you can get. For the Nationals right there. Pareda. And then some firsts. Yeah, hold that for sure. I think I Get Dubs had the Nats. Junior Caminero there on the AI. And some more firsts. All right, last pack, guys. Thanks again for joining. And I'm going to have to wrap it up really fast so my phone doesn't die and I can save the video. Freeman. And Power Up, we got Eldridge. And that'll do it. I can't plug it in and rip at the same time. It doesn't. I need one hand on the phone. A quick recap here. We got the Alejandro Kirk, Cabrian Hayes, Mountcastle patch, Clark Schmidt to 70, Jonah Heim, Jose Garcia, numbered Daz Cameron, Mitch White auto, Alec Mills, numbered to 50 Royals, Rivera short print, Garrett Crochet, logo patch, Keibert Ruiz, Shane Bieber, Ryan Mountcastle, Acosta 199, auto Jesus Parra, to 250 Valdez, to 99 Gonzalez, Luis Meses, to 499 auto. JD Martinez to 499. Jackson Chourio auto. Yeah, that was just an insert in the end. Short print Jackson Merrill rookie. Otani patch. To 99 Jung Ho Lee. Silver to Jung Ho Lee. Aaron Judge bat relic. Dylan Cruz to 399. De La Cruz rookie. And Hierstad rookie gold. Thank you all for joining. And see you guys next time. It's going to be basketball. Thank you guys. Peace out.